Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust a sliding door on a Ford Transit. A properly aligned sliding door ensures smooth operation and prevents wear. You can easily fix common issues like a door that is hard to close or doesn't sit flush. We will go through the process step by step, making it simple for you to achieve a perfectly functioning door. Let's get started and make your transit door work like new. Before starting, gather your tools. You'll need 12mm, 13mm, 15mm, and 22mm wrenches or a socket set. Next, carefully assess your door's current alignment. Look at how the door lines up with the vehicle's body and check if the striker pin is centered in its cutout. This initial inspection helps pinpoint whether the door is sagging, rubbing, or simply not closing correctly. To adjust the rear of the door, loosen the 15mm lock nut, then use a 12mm wrench to move the hinge up or down. For vertical alignment of the top slide, loosen the three 13mm bolts and carefully reposition the bracket. To correct horizontal alignment, loosen the two 13mm bolts on the lower slide and adjust the door in or out. Make small, incremental adjustments and retighten bolts after each change. Once adjustments are made, thoroughly test the door. Open and close it several times to ensure it moves smoothly and latches effortlessly. Verify that the door's body lines now align correctly with the vehicle's frame. Finally, apply a water-based silicone spray to all rollers and tracks. This lubrication will significantly improve door movement and help maintain proper function, preventing future alignment issues and ensuring long-lasting performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.